No. Yeah, I know. So here we go. I just need to make sure that it's what it's zooming in on. Perfect. There you go.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel.
All right. So Miss Yo and I, like what we said, we're going to demonstrate. So we'll see. We're gonna use a ruler just to break the fall of the liquid because we don't want it to literally just break on each other. Is this one? All right. So Miss Yo is gonna drop the first liquid that you guys said, which you guys said is corn syrup, right? So Miss Yo will put that in the
Corn syrup.
All right. Can you guys see that?
The other one.
So we have the corn syrup down. We're good. All right. So what's the next liquid that you guys said would go? So we're gonna put the detergent next.
Green detergent.
Is it mixing?
No.
No. So that's good. So we have two liquids that are not mixing, and it looks like it's sitting on top of each other to break the fall of the liquid. All right. So what's the next one after the detergent?
Water.
So this one might be tricky. We colored it yellow. It's not pea, right? It's we just colored it so you can tell the difference between the green and the water. Good.
Is that a ruler?
It is a ruler. So it looks like the soap mixed in a little bit, but it looks like it's breaking to where it's supposed to go, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what's next after the water? Vegetable oil. All right, so you go. It's clear right now, but once we mix it in there, it's actually going to turn like whitish. So we'll see how that goes. So that's the vegetable oil. Did it mix with the water? We can still see the layers, right?
Yeah.
Good. So what's next after the vegetable oil?
Mineral oil.
So we colored that orange.
Can I read that?
I don't know if you want to.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
You can technically do this at home, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna put it out.
Yeah.
So right now it looks like a drink that's tropical, but it's don't drink this.
Really good.
It looks like a
Cocktail.
cocktail. But
It really does.
you sh-
Why is there a ruler in there?
we're breaking the fall of the liquid.
I've seen like
All right, so we're on the last one. So what's the last one?
alcohol.
So we have alcohol. We colored it blue
Okay.
just so that you guys can see it. Good. Is it mixing? No, it is not mixing. So,
What do you do if you put a white toy in?
Yeah.
a what?
How far? Because I've seen a video where like they did something like that, where they dropped the penny and
Uh-huh.
they stopped at like a certain
We are putting stuff in there. You have 6 solids, right? So now, is your prediction correct?
Yeah.
Yes. So we have 6 solids on that list also, right? We have a cork, we have a plastic cube, we have a paper clip, we have the wax, we have the wood, we have the plastic lid. So the 6 object, right? Put it on that same drawing, predict where you think it's going to go. So on your water diagram right now, or your liquid diagram right now, there's 6 solids, right? Predict where you think it's going to be. So, you need water?
You do have it.
Riddle, give her your water.
So, if you think it's going to be in between the 2 liquids, put the object in between the 2 liquids. If you think that it's going to be in the middle of the liquid, make sure that that's where you draw it.
Where do we put that? We drop a little.
So you're making a prediction, right? There's 6 objects on that table also with the density given to you. You're going to predict where it will be on this thing.
I know, but do we write the prediction out or do we just
So
like?
just draw it. So
So like this, you I don't know what
Like that, yeah. So just put it like, let's say you want to put like the cork right here. So just draw a cork or like draw a line and say cork. So we have the wood, the plastic plate. I think your paper clip will act the same as the pen.
No, the fork is on sale.
So we'll give you guys 2 minutes.
Okay, Claudia.
Yeah? Yes. So 2 minutes. Write down your prediction. Now the solid, before. Yeah, that same bag. So where do you think it's going to sit? So there's they gave you the density for each object on that table.
Wait, so we write the name?
No, I'm together.
Yeah. That might help you if you start writing the density too. That might help. So I'm gonna do this first. Maybe you want to draw a different color. It's up to you guys. So I'm gonna. So this is.
She climbed her shit now. She climbed her shit now. This is her shit that she I asked, I went to my room
Yeah. So 1 more minute.
Veronica! April! Where is Sharon? She's at tennis. Sharon, I need your
You switched up on us. I see your true colors.
It's like up on here. We working with colors. Oh. Why you all looking at my paper?
Because you have that paper.
You don't gotta watch me.
You make my computer
What's that noise?
All right, here we go, guys. The cork. That was the first solid on that table. Where do you think it's gonna go? On top.
No, on the veggie oil.
5.
So the top right here.
You're not right now.
So cork. Cork. All right. So I'm drawing it right here. So you guys said that it's gonna be on the top, all the way on the top,
No, I think mineral.
on top of the mineral,
In mineral.
in the mineral oil, in the middle. Why?
Because it weighs
Okay,
Less density than the alcohol, you're saying? All right, that makes sense. All right, so here's the cork, right? What's next on the list? We have paper clip. Where do you think the paper clip will go? Why?
Because it's 7.90.
All right. So it's more dense than the syrup, so you think that the paper clip will be down there. All right, so the paper clip.
I know paper clip is dropping.
Looks close enough. All right. The next one is the wax. Where do you think that's going to go? The paraffin wax.
Vegetable oil.
On the vegetable oil, on top of the vegetable oil, the bottom of the vegetable oil,
Paraffin.
middle.
Oh, I mean mineral oil.
Mineral oil? And the mineral oil or vegetable oil? So I'm hearing two things right now. You're saying mineral oil, he's saying vegetable oil. Where do you guys think it will go? The middle of both? Close to the vegetable oil, more in the vegetable oil. Alright, so I'm going to put it right here like that. Probably on the vegetable oil. Alright, so let's put it on the vegetable oil like that. Alright, so wax. Alright, so we have the wax down. The fourth object is the plastic cube. Plastic cube.
Between water and detergent.
Water and detergent. Does everyone agree?
Yeah.
Water and detergent? Alright, so I'm going to put the cube. Alright, water and detergent. Between them, you said?
No.
So right here?
That is not it's gonna be on top of the water. Yeah.
On top of the water? So, so right here? So this is plastic cube. Alright, guys, we're almost there.
Wait, plastic cube is in four as well?
That's what you guys are saying.
I have a question.
Uh-huh.
We have to draw two separate.
No. No. I'm just drawing it so that you guys can see it. Plastic lid. So what we're using is the coffee lid. I cut it, right, so because I can't fit this whole thing in there. So I cut a little piece. Where do you guys think that this little thing is going to go?
Detergent.
Detergent on top. So let's get a consensus. So right now I'm hearing the top, the very top, you're saying is the detergent. Where does everyone think that it should go?
It's like the same detergent.
Detergent. So you guys are saying like literally like right here?
Yeah.
Where the green line is?
No.
No, where?
No, like in the middle.
The middle of the water and the detergent, or the middle of the detergent?
In the detergent.
In the detergent, so right here?
Yeah.
Alright. So that's the plastic, right?
Like probably like a
Lid. And we have one last one, which is the wooden block.
What kind of wood is it?
Ah, that's a good one. So Abraham is asking what kind of wood it is. Does that matter?
Yes.
Yes. Right? The density on that list that you guys have, do you guys see that it's a wide range from 0.6 to 0.9?
Yes.
It's because depending on what wood it is, it will give you a different density, right? So Miss Yo, do you remember which wood this is? Oak?
Yeah. That's the wood I use to chop down trees.
Yeah. So this is oak. Alright, so where do you think this is gonna go?
Between mineral and vegetable oil, mineral oil.
Between the mineral oil and the vegetable oil?
Yeah.
Alright. Is everyone in agreement with that? That it's between the...
I said yes.
Uh-huh. I don't have white eye. Okay? So do you guys all in agreement that this is where the objects will be? Yeah, Thomas, you have hesitation here? The wooden block? The top of the vegetable oil? So you're saying in between that section, depending on what kind of wood it is, yeah? .75. So where's that?
That's like on top of the alcohol.
On top of the alcohol? All right. So, well, we're putting a range. So you guys say from here, alcohol could be here, depending on what wood it is, right? All right. That makes sense. So here we go. Let's try this out. All right. So let's start with what you think the bottom object would be, right? So you said that the paper clip will go all the way in the bottom. So does anyone want to drop the paper clip in there? We'll go in. We'll go. There's some stuff to drop. So Abraham's gonna drop the paper clip. I'm going to zoom in as he drops it.
On the
so
side,
make sure
or?
that you kind of dip it in the alcohol first, so that it doesn't splash. Then let it go. All right. So there's the paper clip.
Oh shit, that shit dropped hella quick.
Whoa.
My bad.
Yeah. So did we get the prediction right for the paper clip? Yeah. So the next thing that you guys said is the plastic lid, right? So you guys said that this would be in the detergent section? Yeah? It's a liquid detergent. So same thing, make sure that you make sure that it's pointing down, not flat. And hold on. Before you let it go. So let's zoom out. Alright, go ahead. So Annika dropped it, you guys can see it's right here right now.
But that's because you
Why
cut
isn't
it.
it moving?
It's moving, it's gonna move. It's not done yet. As you guys can see, it's still sinking, right?
Wait, what is that?
So this is the plastic lid. So it's dropping. It looks like that's going through the mineral oil right now. Alright, down the mineral oil. It's now going through the vegetable oil. Is it stopping there? Let's see. Let's
You can
wait.
do it, buddy.
But I have no picture.
It looks like it's still moving. It's slowly, but it looks like it's still
You
moving.
can do it. Do a
Anybody have white out?
Do a flip.
White out?
So it's going through the
You almost there.
almost.
2 more layers. Do it.
Alright, so let's see. You got 2 more layers to go, plastic lid. Let's go.
Oh, it's going. It's going.
There you go. It's moving a little bit faster.
1 more, buddy.
It looks like it's going through the water right now. Water. Let's see if it passes the water.
Where's the water?
The yellow one is the water. So it's on the between the water and the corn, the vegetable oil right now. Let's see. Is it?
It's just there. It's moving.
Yeah, it's moving. It's
Look
slow,
it
but it's moving.
You zoom in closer.
We gotta wait because.
It's like giving me anxiety.
All right. I think it's stuck. I think that's where it is.
No, tap the glass.
Is it sinking?
Yeah, it is.
It's moving.
It's still in the right. It's moving. Dude, actually, it's moving. It's still in the right. Don't give up, buddy.
It's
It's
moving.
moving.